Hey everybody, it's Mark Close from K-Hits 96, and we're here with our buddy Mike from Weber Chevrolet. You're hearing all that noise is people getting their cars ready for their summer vacation. Mike, what do they need to do?
Right now, the best thing to do is get an oil change and an under-car inspection. When you get ready to take off on a trip, you don't want surprises. Vacation should be fun. Good old basics. Fluids are always important. Oil, of course, is important. Antifreeze is important. Windshield washer fluid. Belts and hoses. A lot of construction going on in St. Louis the last couple of weeks. We've seen a lot of gunk and stuff get caught up in there that maybe cause a guy a problem. So now is the time to do that. I've had a lot of folks scheduling in. Sometimes they'll come in on a Thursday and say, I'm leaving for vacation tomorrow. And we don't want surprises. We want you to turn the car on and go. So give us about 2 weeks. If you're planning out a week in advance is good. We have guys here on Saturday, well-trained, good guys that can spot problems for you. We want to head them off. That's the name of the game. Travel should be fun. One thing that I've kind of seen the last couple of weeks, everybody, if you got friends or kids that are sitting in the back seat, we've got so many power outlets and everybody's playing PSPs. $300 toy, $5 charger. They get dunked in soda, they get dunked in the water. The kid plugs it in and an hour into it you go, it won't work, Mom. Owner's manual is your buddy right now. It'll show you where the fuse box is at. We've had a handful. Something that's well within the capability of anybody they can do. Find out where that fuse box, put it in your brain in case something like this should happen. But again, the money's in the toy and not so much the charger. Cell phones do the same thing. iPods do the same thing. iPads do the same thing. So just something to put in the back of your mind so that your trip is that. You're enjoying yourself. Peace and quiet is well worth what you're willing to pay. If you're ready for it, then it'll be okay. Wipers have been another thing. A lot of construction going on in St. Louis. Windshields are hard, wipers are soft, something to consider, especially if you're traveling. If you're out of state, one thing we like to do, and we'll do it for you, it's easy, is check all the lights. Had one guy come in, maybe got a ticket in another state because one of the bulbs was out. That's another thing we want to head off before you're on a trip. Something to think about.
All right, that's Mike. The man knows what he's talking about. You want to make sure you have a great vacation. Get to your destination. You're not going to be on the side of the road. You take care of your Chevrolet will take care of you. And remember, nobody knows your Chevrolet like a Weber certified technician. We've been telling you about maintenance, how important it is, especially as you get ready for your summer vacation. This is way cool on your smartphone. You have an app, and you can line up an appointment to get that oil change, make sure the wipers are working, make sure that radio's working well so you can pick up K-Hits 96 wherever you go. It's an app. You can find it right on your smartphone. Hooks you right into Weber Chevrolet.